I think that it's not scared, the word. We are aware of them now, but as I say in Spanish, I think the union of a family, as we are, the union of a team can make the difference. And we are prepared to be here. We are all very good players, and we don't have stars. Our strength is like a team, and I think that we were already prepared for the match as Nigeria was also.
Two last questions here.
Moi, c'est Juliette Ezine. Je viens du Bénin.
It's too early for Nigeria to start playing under pressure, knowing quite well that the game against Equatorial is more expected for the team to win.
Yes, expectation to win. He wanted to win, and he did everything for win. Is the truth. I think he did a good match. He dominated Equatorial Guinea. He created many chances for win. The second half, I think Guinea didn't shoot one time in our goal. You create many and clear opportunity. I think we deserve to win. We deserve to beat the Guinea. Remember, Guinea, the last AFCON, did better than us, but our team is better than them. But they fight, and you create clear, only opportunity, clear opportunity. I think it deserves, if my team keep this way, this capacity for playing the attack, this capacity for create opportunity, sure, the bad luck don't keep us, come the good luck.
Next question here.
Bonjour coach, je suis Evra Fugéral du Bénin. Je travaille pour Méga Sport Média. Alors, j'ai une petite question pour vous. Ce soir, vous butez sur cette équipe qui, quand même, n'était pas si forte. Est-ce que vous avez l'impression d'être satisfait de la prestation de votre équipe? Merci.
I'm not happy because you draw. Even I deserve. If you draw and the other team deserve more than us, I must accept. I am sad because I think we deserve to beat Guinea. But can happen in football, this situation. Normal our team create many opportunity, many opportunity, and normal miss sometimes. Okay, I hope next time with less opportunity you can score more. I am sad from the result. I am not sad from the capacity for play, because no one player miss goal because wanted. No one player miss one goal because want miss the goal. He want to score, but in the pitch is worse or is difficult, not like in the bank or in the other place. For that, for our job, keep our idea, the game, command and control the game, attack, create opportunity. At the same time, you need to improve our finishing. Even if sports we don't improve, but come the good luck, or more good luck, or more luck.
Coach, Adebanjo, Brilla Media. Coach, can you intimate us on the severity of Al Hassan Yusuf's injury? How bad is it? And with the outcome of today's game, do you think it's even more difficult now for Nigeria to make it through this group?
I don't like to speak about individual performance, but it's true. This guy did a very good game. I don't know if he's injured, big injured. I hope, I wish, I would like. The injury is not strong. He is injured for he can play the next match, because he deserves since the first moment that he showed for everybody that he deserves to play for Super Eagles.
On the left.
Oui, coach, je suis de la Guinée équatoriale. Est-ce que le fait que la Guinée équatoriale marque en premier et le match nul, un but partout, contre le Nigeria, a été une surprise pour vous?
Yes, it's a surprise. But if you keep the the observation of your team, I think, I don't know, the last 10 matches, no one team did like we did against Guinea Equatorial. Because even they beat Tunisia and play one game open with Tunisia. Against us, you push and put Guinea Equatorial in the back and create clear opportunity. Guinea is a good team, but I think our team deserved because play better and create many unclear opportunities. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup.
Go.
Bonjour coach, Edem Atipoué, quotidien Togo Matin. On a vu que vous aviez pris du temps avant de faire entrer Paul Onuachu pour faire une doublette en attaque avec Osimhen. Pourquoi avez-vous attendu si longtemps avant de passer à une attaque à 2 points?
When one team don't win, everybody look for some opinion, some question. Other time, why Onuachu play? Why today? Why don't answer before? Onuachu arrived today 4:30 in the morning. Didn't do one training with us. We didn't check him well for the match. Only I put Onuachu because I was thinking, I look for the lucky. No organization because he didn't train with us. I look for the lucky. I put one guy strong in the hair. Okay, now I can agree with you. Okay, if I don't put before, but I don't know if I put before, he can show like he showed. I am happy because he entered well, but it's not easy. Put one player that arrived today 4:30 in the morning, 6 o'clock in the hotel.
In the back.
Señor entrenador, buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Por el punto.
Podemos hablar español, no pasa nada.
Sí, 2 cuestiones en una.
No.
¿Usted esperaba ver a Guinea jugar de esta manera?
¿Para quién?
Si usted esperaba encontrar un partido como este de Guinea Ecuatorial. Segundo, jugador como Chukwueze, ¿por qué ha jugado casi pocos minutos?
¿Quién?
Chukwueze.
Chukwueze.
Sí, sí.
¿En español o en inglés? English.
You can go, the one you need.
¿Quién de español? Ok. Eu esperava um pouco mais de ataque de Guiné. Um pouco mais. Creio que Guiné, no segundo tempo, se foi um pouco abaixo, aí atrás, esperando para contra-ataque. Esperava um pouco mais. Mas tenho a certeza da organização que a equipa tem. A capacidade do treinador e dos jogadores que estão fazendo um bom trabalho e que hicieron muy bien en el último AFCON y que, como te puedo decir, que esperaba un poco más de, como te digo, de ataque, de poner un poco más delante en segundo tiempo. En primer tiempo ha gustado de Guinea Equatorial, mas claro, si nosotros estábamos jugando bien, también Guinea no puede ir por delante si estamos atacando. Samuel, ¿por qué tenía que poner un fuera? Dime, Lukman, Moses and Samuel. I need to put one out. I choose today, Samuel. Porque normalmente Ecuador tiene en la banda zurda una capacidad muy buena de ir en ataque. He puesto ahí Moses, porque Moses defiende bien, jugador de banda que más defiende bien, y pusemos ahí para un poco de estratégica, para no dejar ahí, para no permitir que jugador de banda que sabes que es, lateral zurdo, que es buen jugador en mi opinión, y también un jugador dentro que viene a jugar, que podría hacer alguna cosa para con nosotros. Por eso opté. Mas después, pues Samuel, siempre tengo un equipo para cambiar, tengo un equipo con muchos jugadores para poder cambiar y poder también mirar los lados estratégicos del partido.
Por favor, una cuestión es para periodista. Last question, in the back, sorry.
I can do 3, no problem. I have time.
It's time for TV also, coach.
Coach Peseiro, the weather was very hot this afternoon. 2 cooling breaks, and it kind of maybe affected the play. What did you make of the weather? You trained in Abu Dhabi, where it was 26 degrees, and then you played in a weather where it's about 34 degrees. Tell us about the weather and how it affected your play. My name is Anthony Bekederemo from Brilla FM in Nigeria.
About the temperature, yes? Okay. The same time, the team need to manage the temperature, the humidity. Okay? Play 2 o'clock here is not easy. For that, is possible sometimes the team could not do more pressure, even in the first half, because the temperature, the humidity was not good. Yes? It's better? No? Okay, sorry. The players, our team, okay, manage well this temperature, because sure they spend more energy than the.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.